So in this class we are going to discuss about the assessment of interviews and journal writing. How we can assess the performance of the students using the tools interview or oral test and general writing. We will discuss in this topic. So what is the interview? You know already. What is oral test? You know already. We are not discussing about the words interview and oral tests. Just we are discussing the nature of oral tests and interviews and the advantages and disadvantages of that one, and how to assess the process of performance of the students using this tool. So if we come to the interview, it is an useful tool of assessment, particularly for the group work, project works and lab work. So it is a good teaching tool, which is a good tool for assessment of the students, especially to assess the group work of the students and project work individually or group, and sometimes individual lab work and group work also. So it is a most useful tool for assessment of the students performance, we can say. And it is also a good tool for follow up the assessment tools which we studied in differently. So it is a tool for the tool of assessment, we can say. So interview is a tool for the assessment of uh, different type of tools, we can say. So the interview may be either individual, that is personal, or group, we can say. So the tool is administered for the assessment of the individual student or the group of students in a particular group, we can say. So either it is individual or group, we can say, and it helps the better rapport between the students and the teachers. So there will be face to face discussion and face to face interaction. So the interview or the oral test develops the good rapport between the students and the teachers. It automatically leads to uh, good understanding or assessment of the students performance to the teacher. So the teacher also can assess the performance of the students. The student also can clarify his doubts, or can express his insightful thoughts or whatever it may be to the teacher directly in the discussion. So you can say the interview helps to get an insight into the process of the student's work. So interview plays a vital role in the assessment of student performance as a good tool of assessment compared to the other tools. When we come to uh, the demerits, we can say it is not easy to assess the performance of the student using this interview. It is most difficult uh, to assess the performance of student using this interview. Sometimes it may not be assessed sometimes. Why? Because there will be subjectivity and personal opinions will be added in the uh, insight or the assessment of teachers assessment. So it has a subjectivity, we can say that it's a major drawback of this one. So the exact answer we cannot expect from the student, and the exact judgment or the assessment cannot be done by the teacher using this oral test or whatever maybe. So we can analyze the performance of the students. We can assess the analyze and apply the knowledge or the views are shared by the student in different situations to find out the solutions for the different situations. So these are some demerits and merits it has. So we have to observe very clearly the insight or internal thoughts of the students and interaction way, communication skills, and so many. using this tool of assessment, that is interview or oral test. So using this we can expect the universal or global skills among the students, within the students, that is communication skills, expression skills, reasoning and logical thinking, and so many skills, life skills. We can assess the performance using this tool, that is interview or oral test. When we come to the other tool of assessment, that is journal writing means generally we see every year the school or any institution publish it one journal, that is already the school magazine, we can say sometimes, or institutional magazine. The teachers or the head of the institution or the management or invite the uh, ideas of the students in written form to publish it a journal, where the students writes their poems, poetry, songs and other expressions like essays on particular topics, and poetry, songs, and some new ideas to which motivates themselves and which motivates the society, this community of the school children and parents. So that is called journal writing, already. So we can say it is also an important source of information about the students learning problems. So by using this journal writing, the students writes everything whatever they want to express in the form of uh, written form. So whenever they want to express some poetry or songs or riddles, puzzles, whatever it may be, they will exhibit their uh, talent in the form of written format. So it gives from that we can understand the learning difficulties of the students and misconceptions and new concepts of the concept whatever we are going to teach. So we can understand the strengths and the weaknesses of the students also by using the tool journal writing, and we can assess a self assessment uh, of the student also sometimes. So it develops a own thought processing skills among the students. So journal writing plays a vital role in the assessment of the individual, especially the writing and expression skills and explanation skills, we can say. So and one more thing is, it is most useful to set a clear expectations and procedures to do the future activities. So the teacher must provide the feedback to the students in the form of written observations, and you have to uh, respond to the questions given by the students, and we have to ask some questions in the margins where the students writes their expressions or whatever it may be in the form written form, and we should, it also can give the uh, encouragement to the students, we can say. So these two are generally we don't use some in the school level, but we should encourage the students for interviews and general writing. So general writing may be also useful for expression of their insightful thoughts and insightful ideas, and interview uh, tool helps to encourage the students to communicate better, to get the good rapport between the students and teachers. So it also develops the communication skills among the students. So these two are generally most useful tools of assessment, but we generally neglect in the school level. But we should not neglect these two tools to assess the performance of the students. By using these two tools, we can assess the performance of the students' ideas, insightful ideas, and insightful thoughts of the students. So with this, the major topics completed. Tomorrow we will continue with the other tools: concept mapping, record the concept map, and record and reporting. All these things we will learn tomorrow in the next class.